SIA A21 January 2014 question on specific heat capacity. So this is talking about heating up a piece of iron, 15 grams of iron, until it reaches a temperature of 100 degrees. And when it reaches the temperature of 100 degrees, we're going to plunge it into water. Obviously, the water's cool, so it's going to take heat from the iron, and the iron is going to cool down. So we want to find, they both have reached temperature equilibrium and have the same temperature at the end of 26.36 degrees. And what they want us to find is the specific heat capacity value of iron. So because we are going to be saying, we're combining them together, we can have the energy supplied to the water is equal to the energy taken from the iron. Okay, so what I can do is I can write out the specific heat capacity equation. I'm going to have the mass of the water times the heat capacity value of the water times the change in temperature for the water. And that is going to equal to the energy from the iron. So the energy of the iron is going to be the mass of the iron times the heat capacity value of the iron times the change in temperature of the iron. Okay, so now all we have to do is just go through our question again and look at the numbers and substitute them in. So the mass of the water is 100 grams. Okay, so let's look at the heat capacity value of water to see if this has to be turned into kilograms. Yep, it's in kilograms, so I have to change this into kilograms. 100 grams divided by 1,000 is obviously going to be 0.1 kilograms. So I'm going to put in the mass of water is 0.1. Multiply by my specific heat capacity value of water, so it gives us it is 4,184. Multiply by my change in temperature of water. So this is where it really requires you to read the question. So it's saying here that the water started at 25 degrees. Obviously we were heating the water up because we put the piece of hot iron into the water. So this is sort of my end temperature. So my change in temperature is just going to be 26.36. Take away the 25. 6.36. Take away the 25. Okay. And we're going to have this equal to the mass of the iron. It's 15 grams. So obviously turn it into kilograms. So we're going to multiply by 10 to the minus 3. So we get 0.015. Multiply by the value of specific heat capacity, which we want to find out. Multiply by my change in temperature of iron. So the iron was heated up to 100 degrees and then it cools down, and both the iron and the water reach the 26.36 degrees. So my change in temperature is going to be 100. Take away 26.36 degrees. Okay, so I'm just going to carry this out as a calculation. And when I multiply all these numbers together and take away these two, I'm going to get 569.024. And that is going to equal 100 take away 26.36 is equal to 73. So that is 73.64. And I'm going to multiply this by this 0.015. And I get 1.1046 multiplied by my heat capacity value. So now all I have to do is get this value by itself. So to get rid of this 1.1046, I'm going to divide both sides by it, and this will give me my specific heat capacity value for the iron. So 569.024. And we get a value of about 515. Okay, and that is your answer.